Veg Federation Karnataka is a body which is created for the Veg community, which means for the business community where its wings are spread across the world. This platform is to unite the businessmen and connect them across the world and empower them with all the available facilities and resources, represent the community and voice the concerns of the business community to avail the best possible resources from various governing bodies and the government themselves. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has initiated various measures for the benefits of its members through arrangements with leading service providers like insurance companies, financiers, software service providers, etc., which the members may avail at their choice. These measures were introduced to facilitate and empower the members, their families, and students with various cost and time saving tools. Today, we have our chief guest, Sri Amit Agarwal, who is the national president of All India Marwadi Yuva Manch and who is also a practicing chartered accountant from Guwahati. He is also a LLB. He has been a very active member of Marwadi Yuva Manch. He is a visionary and is bestowed with immense leadership skills. He has been awarded many a times as the best member, best treasurer, best convener at regional levels. He was also awarded the best national vice president in 2016-17. It's a pleasure to invite him to this event. Amici, we welcome you to this event wholeheartedly and would like to share a few words and inspire us. Amici, over to you.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. Thank you very much. First of all, a very warm good evening to all present here. Bangalore Stars is a team of Bangalore Stars at the very beginning for subject, a very unique topic, which I think being a chartered accountant, for me also, a very new things, I think very new things will be there to learn. Sushil our today's speakers, he has deliberated a few days back on a very new subject on education policy of India, new education policy of India. And I was there during that session. And today also, I am very much sure that his deliberation will put a new journey, which all the chartered accountants who are present here will be able to learn some new benefits, as the subject says, know your benefits. So I'm very much sure that all the chartered accountants, the fraternity members who are present here will get to know about the benefits hidden in the ICAI regulations, ICAI, these things will be there. I wish the team of Bangalore Star all the best, and I apologize since I will not be able to continue with this talk of Sushilji, because I have a pre-scheduled meeting with our team Dubai. So I just convey my best wishes to Sushilji and you all. And I would love to hear today's session. I have talked to Sushilji also that please record it, and I would love to hear it through his recordings. Thank you very much. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for giving me this opportunity. And I thank Ravi Bhai also. I am seeing Ravi Singhania ji here, who had talked to me and this event. Thank you, Ravi Bhai, and thank you, Nitesh ji, and all. Thank
you, Amit ji, for having some time for us out of your busy schedule. It was nice hearing you. Thank you so much, Amit ji. Friends, today we also have with us the guest of honor, Shri Bipin Ram Agarwal, the President of International Veg Federation Karnataka. Bipin ji is a visionary leader and a very practical entrepreneur running many business verticals. He is also a very well-known social worker and has extensively contributed to the welfare of the society through many social organizations. He has been awarded as the Patanjali Samaj Seva Award from Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Vishishta Nagarik Puruskar Award from the Ramnath Goenka Group, and has many more awards and honors to his credit. Bipin ji, we welcome you to this event and would like to you to share a few words and motivate us.
मेरा नंबर आज के साथ मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मतलब मेरे को तो लगता है मेरा व्यापार बहुत बढ़ जाएगा। इतने चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट एक साथ तो मेरा व्यापार तो अपने आप बढ़ जाएगा। तो आज तो मेरे को लगता है मेरे को भी कुछ सीखने का मौका मिलेगा। तो मैं आज यहाँ पर सबसे पहले MYM स्टार मारवाड़ी युवा मंच स्टार शाखा और नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट मारवाड़ी युवा मंच अमित अग्रवाल जी है, जो आज इस प्रोग्राम में आए हुए हैं। ठीक है, समय नहीं भी होगा तो बाद में फिर बातचीत हो जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं है। मारवाड़ी युवा मंच के सहयोग से और इंटरनेशनल वेस्ट फेडरेशन के सहयोग से ये कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। नो योर बेनिफिट्स, मतलब सीए, मतलब पहली बार मैंने ऐसा सुना और सोचा कि मतलब सीए लोगों के लिए भी बेनिफिट्स के लिए कुछ प्रोग्राम जो लेके आए हैं। तो आज के जो स्पीकर अपने सुशील बंसल और नीरज जी बंसल, दोनों ने बहुत प्रयास करके इस प्रोग्राम को बनाया है। तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ आज कुछ नई चीज सीखने मिलेगी, क्योंकि सीए लोगों को ही सीए का बेनिफिट बताया जा रहा है। ये एक अपने आप में अद्भुत, तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा। तो मैं दोनों स्पीकर को बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा जो जिन्होंने वर्किंग करके ये प्रोग्राम तैयार किया है। और मेरे को पता चला कि इसके पीछे रवि सिंघानिया जी लगे हुए थे और अपने प्रीतम जी भी साथ में लगे हुए हैं। तो दोनों का काफी प्रयास है और इस तरह के प्रोग्राम लाने से वो जिस प्रोफेशन में है उस प्रोफेशन से अगर उनको लाभ का उनको फायदा मिलता है या उसको जानकारी मिलती है तो काफी फायदा होगा। मेरी बेटी केस कर रखी है और लड़का सीए कर रहा, तो मैंने दोनों को बोला कि आप ये प्रोग्राम आज देखना, पता नहीं इसमें क्या मिल जाए। तो बेटी बोली सीएस के लिए भी प्रोग्राम करवाइए पापा। तो मैं बोला कि भाई ये तो अभी सीए का प्रोग्राम है, इसमें समझ लो, उसके बाद में सीएस का भी। तो मैं सुशील जी को, नीरज जी को बोलूंगा कि आप फ्यूचर में सीएस के लिए कोई प्रोग्राम ऐसा करिए। और सीए तो जो है हमारे जितने भी चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट है बिजनेस के, ये तो बैकबोन है और इनके बिना तो हमारा मतलब व्यापार चलता ही नहीं है। और मेरा इन सभी चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट से यही आग्रह है कि आने वाले दिनों में आप लोग कोई न कोई इजी अकाउंट पॉलिसी के बारे में आप लोग गवर्नमेंट को कुछ न कुछ ज्ञापन दीजिए, कुछ न कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन बनाइए, कुछ टीम बनकर टीम्स के साथ में, ताकि इंडिया का जो अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम है ये थोड़ा सा इजी हो। क्योंकि मेरे को आजकल लगता है कि जितने भी सीए पहले रिलैक्स रहते थे अब काफी टेंस हैं, क्योंकि इतनी फॉर्मेलिटीज हो चुकी है उनके लिए। व्यापारियों के लिए तो हुई है, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है कि साथ के साथ उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर सीए पे है जो उन ड्यूटीज को पूरा कर रहे हैं या उन फॉर्मेलिटीज को पूरा कर रहे हैं। तो मेरे को लगता है कि आप लोगों को एक डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसा बनाना चाहिए जो गवर्नमेंट तक पहुंचाया जाए, चाहे वो सीतारमन जी तक पहुंचाया जाए या पीएमओ तक पहुंचाया जाए, और टाइम टाइम पे पहुंचाया जाना चाहिए। क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा है शायद सीए काफी बर्डन पे चल रहे हैं। तो आप लोग की मेहनत और आप लोगों के प्रयास से हम लोग का व्यापार बढ़ रहा है और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं चाहता हूँ आज कुछ मैं भी यहाँ पर सीखूंगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Bipinji. Thank you so much. We'll surely carry forward and take your suggestion forward to the concerned people. And thank you so much. You always motivate us, Bipinji. Thank you so much once again. Dear friends, we also recognize the presence of Sri Raviji Singhania, who is the past Vice President of Marwadi Yuva Manch. Raviji, say hello to everyone. Raviji, please unmute yourself and say hello.
नमस्ते नीरज जी, आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए क्योंकि
We also, we also have Mr. Nitesh Tibrewal, the president of MYM today. Nitesh ji.
Hello everyone. Neeraj ji, please continue because we have very less time and topic is very big.
I do.
Yes.
I understand that, Nitesh ji.
Welcome all. Welcome all.
I welcome everyone. Sanjeev ji and Ritu ji, everyone, I welcome you all. Moving ahead, I request Rahul Goenka to introduce the speaker of the evening, the dynamic chartered accountant, Sushil Bansal.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. So, dear all, before I introduce the speaker, let me give you the brief about our host for the evening, whom you have heard for quite some time, Mr. Neeraj ji Bansal. So, Neeraj ji is a practicing CA with over 23 years of experience. He has been associated with Agrawal Yuva Sangh Karnataka as a president in the past. He is currently the treasurer of IVF Karnataka since the inception of Karnataka Wing. He is having a strong network in the business community. With so much said, let me now focus myself to the guest of the evening, the speaker of the evening, Mr. Sushil Ji Bansal. So, Sushil Ji is born and brought up in coal city of India, Dhanbad, and he is currently residing in Koramangala, Bangalore. His educational accomplishments is no much to say here. He has done his schooling from D. Nobly, Dhanbad, followed by graduation in BCom honors from Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University, and he has done his CA from the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. He is more than 2 decades into the CA fraternity. So he's joined in 1999 in SNB as a trainee and continued to grow up and took a lot of responsibilities. He's very expertise in internal auditing, retail operations, business protocol, and other things. He has worked with several multinational companies in the past, and some of them with Radio Taxi Software, travel agency, to name a few. Apart from his social, educational, and career benefits, he is deeply associated with social affiliations with various communities like Agrawal Samaj, Marwadi Yuva Manch, Ekal Abhiyan, Swastik Seva Sangh, Bangalore. He has taken various responsibilities and roles in different organizations, and he has roamed around various cities of India, starting from Dhanbad, currently in Bangalore. And as our National President Amit Ji said, that he has conducted a lot of events recently, all thanks to COVID-19. He has given a wide knowledge on future of education in India to everyone all across the India and outside as well. With this much said, I won't waste a lot of time, and I will invite our speaker, Sushil Ji Bansal, to take it forward. Over to you, Sushil Ji.
Yes, Sushil ji. The evening is all yours.
थैंक यू सो मच नीरज जी, राहुल जी, संक्षिप्त परिचय देने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल इंडिया मारवाड़ी युवा मंच स्टार्स as well as International West Federation Karnataka for giving me this immense opportunity to bring forward to this August gathering the benefits which a chartered accountant can avail after being a chartered accountant. This topic was very close to me, and we had an in-house session in our office, and from that it came to my mind that it has to go to the community as well as a social awareness program, and that is where the genesis of this program stands. And I am also thankful to our National President, Shri Chartered Accountant Amit Ji Agarwal, and our close elder brother Vipin Ji Agarwal for honoring this gathering and giving their best wishes to us. With these words, I am sharing my presentation. Neeraj ji, I hope my presentation is visible.
Yes, it's visible, and you are very well audible too. Please go on.
Thank you, Neeraj ji. So today, Marwadi Yuva Manch in association with IVF Karnataka, we have gathered to know about for the chartered accountants, what are their benefits. Before I start my program, I would like to say that the slogan of chartered accountants is Ye es Sapteshu Jagriti, which means that I will always be awake. I thought this is a good platform whereby to our chartered accountants as well as to the community, we give the message that being a chartered accountant, Ye es Sapteshu Jagriti, which means I will always be awake. और ये हमारे उपनिषद कठोपनिषद से लिया गया है. 1949 में श्री अरविंदो ने श्री अरबिंदो जी ने हमें दिया था ये, और हमारे फर्स्ट काउंसिल मीटिंग में आवर लोगो विद गरुड़ा एंड द स्लोगन ये सप्तेषु जागृति हमने अडॉप्ट किया था. और I believe that since inception we have gone by these wordings that I will always be awake. With these words, I will move ahead. Friends, before I move ahead, I would like to give certain information. First is that this program is purely an awareness program. Second is that this is based on the ICAI CMP benefit portal, which is this cmpbenefits.ici.org, and our program is completely based on this information available in this portal. Third information I wish to give is that there is no CPA applicable because this is a social awareness program, and there is no structured or unstructured CPAs applicable for this program. Please see this as a purely learning program for you. And last one is that in case we make any error or omission, please pardon us, and we will admit our mistake if any happened during the program. With these notes, I will move ahead with the program. Friends, let me give you a bird's view of the benefits which are applicable to a chartered accountant. Number one, a chartered accountant, Institute of Chartered Accountant has tied up with a number of insurance products, and I have clubbed that in one category as insurance product. Second, we will see about the various softwares which Institute has tied up for the benefits of its member. Third one, we will see about the financial services in terms of credit card and loan facility, which there is a tie-up. Fourth, we will see about the certificate course, which we can do through the digital hub platform of ICAI, which is also a benefit for a chartered accountant. Fifth, we will see about the various publications which are freely available, and we can download it and enhance our knowledge. And last but not the least, we will also see a couple of very recent initiatives which the Institute has taken considering the COVID as well as other factors. So these will be the broad buckets in which we will be discussing about our today's program. I will move ahead with the first topic. First is insurance product. Friends, under insurance products, the first category is of life insurance, which is done in tie-up with LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. And second bucket, which we can see, is about the general insurance, which is tied up with the New India Assurance Company. The first one has only one policy, term insurance, but general insurance has 7 policies, and there is a similar login ID and all those things applicable. That's why I have classified this into 2 buckets, A and B. And I will move ahead with this. First bucket, LIC term insurance policy. Friends, as we see, LIC term insurance policy, giving the importance of time and also the coverage which we have to do, I will try to cover maximum whatever is possible within the limited time. So I will start with LIC term insurance. Friends, first, there is a very competitive premium rate applicable to chartered accountant if we buy this LIC policy using the ICAI offer. Annual premium is payable. Various premium rates are there based on the age. For member, entry age is 21, and the maximum age is 64. For the spouse of the member, entry age is 18 years. For the spouse, it is 64 years. And applicant should be healthy and disease-free while joining the scheme. There should no health and medical undertaking is taken. If I move ahead, this life insurance is taken for 10 lakh of rupees for members and 5 lakh of rupees for a spouse, which is optional. And in case of any claim, the settlement happens through ICAI. every year renewal is available. It covers death due to any reason. Any reason if death is happening, this will covered in this LIC insurance policy. And entry scheme is valid once it is confirmed by LIC in line with ICAI. This program is administered by PNGS, a division of Delhi LIC. And as I said, the opting for spouse is optional, and everything is online from starting application to premium and everything. I move ahead in this same program. Regarding the procedure enrollment, as I mentioned, we need to visit to ICI CMP benefits website. We need to enter our membership number along with date of birth, and automatically all the details which are available with the ICI will get populated there. We can apply as a self, as a member, or self plus spouse. For the spouse, we need to fill up the details. We need to attach our ID proof, address proof, make the payment online, and it is done. That's it. Now, as far as claim process is concerned, it is again, we need to visit the website. Claim is also online. We need to provide our ID proof, address proof, apply for claim, and I'm sure LIC has a very good claim percentage rate. As far as premium is concerned, this is the beauty of this program. If we see for members, for 10 lakh of term insurance, these are the age bracket 21 to 30, just 520 rupees. This is annual premium. And as an so and so forth, like for 41 to 45, just 1100 rupees plus GST is there applicable. And if I talk about the spouse, for 5 lakh of term insurance, it is exactly half the amount. So it is a very good policy for chartered accountant. If we see the market rate, it is double, at least triple or 4 times of the rates applicable here. With these words, I will move ahead with the next policy. In general insurance, there are 7 policies applicable, and all are tied up with New India Assurance. So all these 7 policies are, I will see one by one. Number 1, health insurance, which we call it medical insurance also in common words. Second is motor vehicle insurance. Third one is professional indemnity. I would like the fraternity to give importance to this professional indemnity when I will discuss this in detail. Then there is an office protection shield. Then we have a personal accident policy. Then we have a household insurance, and last but not the least, Corona Kavach, which is added just maybe 20 days or 30 days back when Corona came into picture. This policy was added into our portfolio of benefits. With these words, I move ahead to health insurance. Friends, health insurance, again, it is a very highly competitive premium rates, which we get almost 45% discount we get if we go through an institute offer. There is no health checkup, no entry age barrier, no age limit is there, and fully cover pre-existing diseases are already also covered after completing 3 years. Then the dependent parents are also covered under a floating sum insured. Then existing cumulative bonus is also taken care as a discount in premium if you go to this offer. Then pre-existing diseases are also covered based on the graded benefits. We move ahead with the same policy about their features. There is a detailed prospectus available in the website. It talks about the coverage limit, which are the network hospitals, hospitalization procedure. Daycare is also covered. There will be an ID card issued to all the people who enroll. Maternity benefits are there, and couple of exclusions. So all these details we can see once we go through the prospectus. Then carry forward of credit, conditions, cancellations as the normal knob, cashless services, family. Period of policy is 1 year, which can be renewed every year. Payable, non-payable expenses are also defined in the prospectus. premium chart, and everything is online. Application to claim, we can do everything through the CMP benefit website. I move ahead with the procedure. Again, for enrollment, we need to click on the ICAI CMP benefit website, which will take us to a dedicated NIA New India Assurance ICA website. There, with our login ID, institute member credentials, we need to create a login ID. Then our details will automatically get populated and we can apply for health insurance. Friends, I would like to just say for next 7 policies, the enrollment remains the same. Once we have created a login ID in New India Assurance website, the same ID can be used for the next 7 insurance policies, which I'm going to discuss. Coming back to the health policy we can take as a member self or self plus spouse, or self plus spouse plus 1 child, accordingly self plus spouse plus 2 child, or self plus 1 child, self plus 2 child. So these are the various combinations, and accordingly the premium rates will differ. Now, as I mentioned, the premium is payable completely online, and then it is done. You are insured. Coming to claims, we have to again visit the NIA website, intimate about our health claim, and there is a third party whose name is MD India, Messrs MD India. TPA will insure this, and the reimbursement process will follow based on the submission of documents. And I'm sure since the tie-up with institute is there, the claim should not be a problem. Moving ahead to premium, friends, as far as premium for health insurance are concerned, as I mentioned you, it will depend upon your age factors and also in your zone. Like Mumbai is zone 1, which has a slightly higher rate. Then Delhi and Bangalore is zone 2, which is lesser than Mumbai. And rest of India is zone 3, which is the least. So based on the zone and based on your age, the premium will differ, and you take it for yourself or for a spouse. All those 4 factors, you can get the details in the CMP benefits website. As I mentioned, this program is primarily an awareness program, so we will not be able to go into a micro detailing. Our purpose is to enlighten with you that these are the policies available. Whenever you go to buy any kind of policy, whatever we are discussing, you please check it with being a chartered accountant. You can check with the website, and whichever is best for you, you can go ahead with that. With those words, I move ahead to motor insurance policy. Before that, I would just like to ask Neeraj ji, am I very fast or am I just appropriate? Because we have lot of area to cover.
No, you are appropriate. What we will do, Sushil ji,
Yeah.
we'll have a question answer session after each segment. You have
Okay.
around 6 segments.
Yeah.
The members, Sushil ji has 6 segments during
Yeah.
the presentation. At
Yeah.
the end of each segment, we'll have question answer session pertaining to that particular segment, and you can type your questions on the chat box and let me know. I will sum up those questions and post the questions to Sushil ji.
Fair enough, Neeraj ji. I just wanted an assurance that I am on the right track and
Yep.
making sense. Okay, with those words, I move ahead with the motor insurance policy. Friends, again for motor insurance policy, there are 2 categories, 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler. So for 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers, broadly the procedure remains the same. Salient features, you will love to know that almost 65% of discount we get if we buy through the institute's tie-up. And there are a number of factors which affects the premium, like 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, what is the capacity of the vehicle, what is the insured declared value, what is the geographical area, that also differs, liability of third party. So as a normal procedure, all these factors will come into. Similarly, the conditions, what are the claim bonus, loss of accessory, personal accident. This is important that for 2-wheeler, first year, first party insurance is compulsory, and for 5 years, third party insurance is compulsory, which we can buy it through this policy. And for 4-wheeler, again, first party 1 year is compulsory, and 3-year is compulsory for third party. So this we should keep in mind whenever we buy a new vehicle or we are going for a renew. I would also like to inform that for all this motor insurance, Mahindra first choice is the motor garage partner, and their detailed list of state-wise list, everything is available in the website. We move ahead to the procedure. Enrollment, as I mentioned, again with the same login ID which we have in a New India Assurance which we created, we can apply for motor insurance, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, pay premium online, and it is done. Now, as far as claim is concerned, we again need to visit the New India website, intimate about the claim, give them the estimate, a surveyor will be appointed, loss assessment will be done. Then there will be a commencement of repair post approval, and vehicle will be re-inspected, delivered, and claim will be settled by the company through the expenses. So it is pretty simple. And if we talk about the premium, again, I would advise that we should go to New India Assurance website, because it will depend upon various factors, the model, vehicle, all those things. So you can visit the website, but I'm sure that the rates will be pretty competitive. As we mentioned, there are a reasonable good discount. Now we move to professional indemnity insurance. I would like all professionals to please give a good attention, because this is a very useful insurance, and it's my personal suggestion that we all should go with this professional indemnity insurance. I will share with you the details. Friends, salient features are like this is a specially designed for professionals. There is a reasonable amount of discount, which is to the tune of 85% of the market rate if we go through the institute tie-up, and this covers the liability which are falling as an error and omission, which is committed by you as a professional in his professional services. And this is a good thing that the insured amount covers pay compensation, legal liability, damages, legal cost, defense cost, fees, etc. All these things are covered under insurance amount. This is only applicable in civil liability. That means criminal liability is not covered under this. One more thing is important, that benefits of retrospective period is also covered, provided it is continuously renewed. Say for example, we have taken a policy in 2018 and we are renewing till 2020 also, but there is some professional thing happened in 2018. So if we are doing a continuous renewal, we can claim for 2018 also. I believe, Neeraj ji, I clarified this. This point is clear, Neeraj ji?
Yeah, yes, Vijay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So benefit of retrospective period is also covered, provided continuous renewal is happening. Now, this is important. What is not covered is personal injury, or if we are doing some copyright, something wrong, or dishonesty, fraud, statutory non-compliance, natural disaster, or prior to retroactive date. That means before it was activated, we have not taken the policy, that is not covered, and loss due to our fault, delay or something, those things are not covered. There are certain conditions and endorsements. The details are available in the policy document. And last point is also important, that geographically, if we talk, this policy covers India, Nepal, and Bhutan. So say for example, someone is having an office in Nepal and Bhutan as well. For geographical purpose, these three independent countries are considered as one geographical unit for this professional indemnity insurance. I move ahead with that. Now, why should we take this? What is covered? We should take it because of two reasons. A, in case we didn't had a skill, but we did some professional work, that will get covered. And second one is professional had necessary skill, but he has not exercised them in a particular case, which has resulted into legal complication and liability. So these things will get covered under professional indemnity. Now, as I mentioned, in case any unwarranted, as we know, wherever there is a professional misconduct happening, it results into unwarranted publicity, legal action, and all those things. So I'm sure that reputation and everything we cannot help with. That's why all chartered accountants are very particular of whatever they are doing. But as far as monetary loss or legal cost is concerned, or the damages are concerned, definitely this professional indemnity can help us. With those words, I move ahead. How to calculate the sum insured? So there is a concept called any one incident or any 1 year. I will explain that. Say for example, we take for our office, we take a coverage of 1 crore. Now that 1 crore, we can term it as a 1 incident or 2 incident. That means 1 crore is the total limit and 50 lakh is the incident. So say for example, in 1 year, there are 2 incident happen, it will cover 50 lakh. Now say for example, if we have taken a policy of 1 crore with 1 incident, and God forbid there are 2 incident, that means for the second incident we will not get any claim. So this is a broad ratio that for 1 year either you can have 1 incident, so you can divide the amount, or 2 incident or 3 incident or 4 incident. So there's that many number of incident, you can claim that amount to maximum defined. Like for 1 crore, you can have, if you go by option D, 1 crore for 4 incident. So 25 lakh 4 times you can claim if there are 4 incident in a year, in that year. So that is the concept of any one accident, any 1 year, and this is the broad ratio. I move ahead with that. What is not covered, I have already told: Criminal Act, any services which you do in intoxication, third party liability, if you are not abiding the contractual obligation, if you are doing something non-statutory, loss of goodwill or market, any kind of libel, force, arrest or detention, fine, penalty, these are not covered. War, radioactive contamination, and deliberate disregard to technical or administrative management with reasonable step to prevent the claim. If these are the reasons for your professional misconduct, my friends, this professional indemnity will not help you. So it is important for us to understand what will help us, what will not help us. With that, I will move ahead with the enrollment. Again, we have to visit our same login ID, New India Assurance, and apply for professional indemnity. We can apply as an individual also, and we can apply as a firm also. So this is very important. And both practicing chartered accountant as well as non-practicing chartered accountant, both can apply for this indemnity. Why I am saying this? Because if a chartered accountant is not a practicing chartered accountant also, but a member of the institute, any misconduct he conduct in his common professional or social conduct, he is liable as per the code of ethics of Institute of Chartered Accountant. That's why a non-practicing chartered accountant can also take a professional indemnity insurance. And then we need to, what is the level of indemnity we need to buy, number of employees, all this we need to define. But the chart which I am going to share in the next slide, that chart remains the uniform as far as premium is concerned. So we need to pay the premium online and it is done. We are covered. As far as claim is concerned, we can claim it by raising a liability to the insurance company online, and we need to send them the details of the legal notice someone received. And this is very important, that the company can also help us in arranging the advocate or the defense for our case. Like say for example, being a chartered accountant, if we are facing any legal case, so if we raise a claim in the New India Assurance, they can help us with appointing an advocate and fight the case in our behalf, and also bear all the legal cases. So all these are very important matters. Neeraj, just from your feedback, I hope I'm making the point pretty clear, right?
Yes, pretty clear, pretty clear.
Yeah,
Please go ahead.
loud and clear. Yeah. So I move ahead. I move ahead with the premium. Friends, you will be surprised to know the amount of coverage which the policy is giving, and the amount of peanut premium which we are paying. This is that slide. For 50 lakh of rupees annually, we are just paying 2,500, and accordingly it increases. For a coverage of 5 crores, we are just paying 25,000 per annum. And this 5 crores we can split into 1:4. So that means total 5 crore, 4 incident, 1 crore, 25 lakh covered every time. So that's why I told all chartered accountants should give attention to this point, this especially this policy. And this is a very, very attractive policy. I am not doing a promotion of any company. This is a social awareness program, but since it is useful for everyone, I am emphasizing that. With these notes, I move ahead. I move ahead to office protection seal. Yeah. Friends, in the office protection field seal, as I said, the coverage is pay compensation, legal liability, damages, legal costs, defense fees, all these are covered. And general conditions, as we know, reasonable precaution, alteration in risk, claim, fraud, cancellations are general conditions. And this will be a broad coverage: building, office content, tenant liability, money insurance, electronic equipment, computers, personal accident, baggage, all these things will get covered under this policy. Moving ahead, enrollment, again, the same login ID we use, we apply for protection seal, fill up the details. Since this is a slightly complicated, how many furniture, chair, all those things, you need to fill up those details, and then only you will come to know what is the premium payable. And once done, you do it everything online, you are covered. Premium is structured. I request you to visit the you create a login ID in the New India Assurance website, and based on your office size, everything, you can know the premium. Claim, this is a detailed history how to claim. So probably I don't need to elaborate. The claim procedure remains the same. You need to intimate, inform what has happened and all those things, and your claim will get processed based on your documentation. Now we move to personal accident insurance. Now, before I move to personal accident insurance, this is a unique policy, and with all emphasis, I'm saying also a chartered accountant student can take this policy. Whatever we discussed earlier was either applicable to member and their spouse, but this is applicable to chartered accountant student as well. With that words, I move ahead. If we talk about personal accident, it is applicable to members as well as students of ICI. This covers the death or the permanent total disability or loss of limb or limbs or permanent partial disability. All these things are covered under single personal accident. This includes reimbursements of hospitalization expenses, any casualty, what is the percentage of insurance, there will be a calculation based on the policy document, exclusion conditions, all those things are there, and all these things are given in detail in prospectus. Everything is defined. In your free time, you can go ahead with that. If we talk about enrollment, again, we need to visit the New India Assurance website, same login ID. We need to fill up our details like membership and date of birth. So our details will get auto-populated. We need to fill up the details and then apply for a personal accident, make online payment, and it is done. As far as premium is concerned, again, based on our age, this will differ. That's why I am suggesting you please visit the website for getting further details. I move ahead to household insurance. In the household insurance, we will salient features are like this will cover the building and content with fire and allied perils. It includes the storm, temps, flood, and inundation. STFI is covered, and earthquake, household break, including theft, jewelry, valuable, all these things are covered. There are certain exclusions. You can see it in the policy document. There are conditions. Again, all the details are there in the prospectus. We cannot discuss the fine lines, everything in the limited time. My idea is to give you an awareness that which are the insurance available. I move ahead. Enrollment, again, we log in with the same ID. We put in our details. All our detail will get auto-populated as per the institute record. We need to fill our details. What are the household items? Apply for household insurance and then pay the premium, and it is done. Premium, again, I mentioned, based on the items you have, it will differ. And so you need to visit the website to identify the exact premium. With that word, I move to the last segment of this insurance product, which is Corona Kavach. This Corona Kavach is covered in, this is added just 20-25 days back, and this is for the salient features are the period is roughly 3.5 months, 6.5 months, and 9.5 months. This is a defined period. The minimum assurance is 50,000, maximum is 5 lakh, and in the multiple of 50,000, you can add the amount. Age limit is day 1 because child is also covered. So the date of birth till 65 years is covered. Policy can be for individual or floaters. That floating flow, you can add, take a cumulative policy. This policy claim will trigger once it is declared that a member is having a COVID-19 as per the government mandate, and minimum 24-hour hospitalization is mandatory. Pre-hospitalization, 15 days is covered. Post-hospitalization, 30 days, whatever is expenses, it will get covered in Corona Kavach. Now, other features, ambulance charges 2,000, room rent ICU, no limit is there. There is no proportionate deduction, no free lock-in period under the policy. Very good point. Ayush, there is no sublimit. If someone is going treated through Ayush, this is also covered. Home care treatment is also covered, payable for 14 days, subject to maximum 15,000 per insured. Waiting period is 15 days. That means if you insure today, the policy will get activated after 15 days. Cover includes treatment for any comorbid conditions also. No zone-based or regional discount, as we see Mumbai, Delhi, and all those. This is a flat discount across, flat premium across India, and lifetime renewal or migration. All those things are not applicable because this is a specialized policy for Corona Kal. I move ahead with that. Certain more features, like this is a single premium, no installment, and the loading of 30% is there in case there is some symptom. Discount of 5% is there if a female member is taking. There is optional coverage of hospital available. Other discounts are if we take a cumulative policy like floaters, floaters base, 5% discount is there. If we pay digitally 10% discount we get, and it is only applicable through New India website. And healthcare worker, this is very good that in case say a member's spouse or child or son is a healthcare worker, that means a doctor or a healthcare worker, further discounts are applicable. So with this, Neeraj ji, I have come to the end of first section of insurance product. So if there is any question, I will stop share this presentation for a while, for a minute. Now, Neeraj ji, I have come to a point where insurance product is covered. If there is any question, you can please ask me.
Sure, Sushilji, it's very interesting and very cost effective and very user friendly looks like. I myself have certain questions here, Sushilji, before I take up the questions of the members online.
Please.
In the term insurance, I didn't see that children were included. I mean, a member cannot take the policy of the children, but only spouse was limited to.
Yes.
That's what I saw.
Yes. Member and spouse is applicable for LIC term insurance.
Okay. Can't I take the insurance for the students? Suppose the articles who are working with me?
No. LIC term insurance is not applicable to students.
Okay. Now, I'm sure that you would have worked out a lot of premiums payable in comparison under this scheme and the normal schemes. So what do you suggest? What is the parity between these two things, and what is the amount we save when you take the policy under these schemes?
Very good question, Neeraj ji. I will compare myself in my case and the general policy if I take, not being a chartered accountant. So say for example, if I go with the LIC term insurance for myself 10 lakh and for wife 5 lakh, in the normal market it will be roughly around 6,000. For both of us, 50 lakh of coverage. But if I go by the institute offer tie-up, which is there with LIC, I just pay 1,650. So almost 1/4 the amount I pay.
Wow.
Okay, for 15 lakh of coverage. I will give you one more example of maybe personal accident insurance. I have an account with the State Bank of India. Through that account, I have a personal accident insurance of 20 lakh. and annually the SBI charges me 1,000 rupees per annum for that 20 lakh. And that is because I have an account with SBI. I'm sure if I don't have an account, the premium would be more. So I compare only 1,000. So 1,000, 20 lakh personal insurance per annum. If I go by the institute, this collaboration, I just paid 220 rupees.
Wow.
220 rupees, 20 lakh coverage for 1 year, personal accident insurance. So again, roughly 1/4 of the price. So these are a couple of examples. I thought I can correlate with myself and compare it with the general.
Yeah, the premiums are really nothing. 220 for 20 lakhs is
Yes,
out of the
220
world,
rupees.
out of the world.
Yes, yes.
Okay, one more participant wanted to know, suppose
Yeah.
he is in the regular scheme,
Yeah.
can he switch over to
Yes.
this beneficial scheme?
Yes, yes, there is a insurance portability available, and he can also take a benefit of no claim bonus. And I believe the participant who is asking is a chartered accountant. So if he's a chartered accountant, he has a taken policy somewhere outside, he can very well switch to this policy at the time of renewal.
Wow. And this is applicable to all types of policy, let it be a life or medical or accident or term or, I mean, whatever.
I believe so. I believe so because MNP is available. You can portability is applicable available. He need to check it, but he can. I cannot say all categories, but definitely he can switch from X policy to this policy, and he
Yeah.
can also take a benefit of NCB, no claim bonus.
Yeah. The portability is a very good option actually.
Yeah.
I think many of us can get benefited.
Yeah. Any other questions, Neeraj?
Even as for the term policy, I understand that it is limited only to the spouse and the individual. What about the medical policy? Suppose I want to take a medical policy for the articles in my office.
Yeah.
So it said that it is a student, it's for students. So how do you define student? What is a student then?
Okay, very good question. Your question has two parts. One was relating to health insurance. So health insurance can be taken by member as well as spouse. Okay. Now, the second part of your question was relating to who is a student. So whosoever is enrolled with the Institute of Chartered Accountant doing CA course is a student. And just to add to your question, as I mentioned also, personal accident a student can take. There are one or two more benefits which we will discuss at the later part of our presentation. But as of now, insurance, as far as insurance is concerned, personal accident insurance, a CA student can avail.
That's great. And there's another question: can LIC policy be continued even after attaining 64 years of age?
No, there is a limit. There is an age limit. So post that age, you cannot renew the policy.
But till 64, I can enter, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
21 to 64, I can enter.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, Sushilji, go ahead. That's all for the questions for this segment. You can go to the next segment. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm sharing my slide again. Yeah, Neeraj ji, you can see the slide?
I'm yet to see. Yeah.
Okay, so we move to the next segment, software products. So friends, for software products, there are 10 collaborations Institute has done. One is with Tally, another one with GRC Product Suite, third one is Practice Management, fourth one is Papilio software, then we have XBRL software, then we have antivirus protection through Quick Heal, then we have GST return software, then we have all-in-one accounting software, EFF factor software, and last but not the least, Caudal software. So these are primarily the 10 software, and we will be discussing each one of them in brief. First one is Tally software. So if we talk about Tally software, as we know, the gold version, multi-user and single user, both we can buy. Silver, for the silver user, for 6 months, 50% discount is there, 1800 rupees plus GST. And we need to visit the Tally website for checking our eligibility and then apply. We need to, based on our membership number, we need to check the eligibility. And for the gold member, for 5 users, 80% or 50% discount is there. This Tally offer was there till 30th of September. I'm not sure. I visited their website today also, but I think they have renewed or not. I don't know. But primarily it was there till 30th of September. That's why it was a limited period offer. We need to fill the details about our firm as well as the individual, and it will indicate the eligible and non-eligible member based on the credentials available in the website. And very important, we should know this offer is applicable for a chartered accountant office only. Please don't buy this product and sell it to or give it to your clients. This is only for us using in the chartered accountant's office. Next, we move to GRC product. So second one, GRC product. Friends, GRC product is actually a bundle of product, which is an integrated GRC product suite. And this bundle includes rule Z book, audit management, practice management, legal compliance management, legal compliance and audit utility, board and secretarial compliance, payroll and labor compliance. And we need to visit their website, avantis.co.in. You visit the CMP benefits, it will lead to that website, avantis.co.in. That is the parent company under which all these softwares are there, and you need to register and avail the offer. We will understand this chart will give you a fair idea. Like the rule book talks about a comprehensive compliance update, and for 3 years, unlimited users, it is free. Audit management, again, automated audit lifecycle for 3 years, 5 users, 25 audit per year, it is free. Legal compliance management dashboard, you can manage for 3 years, 5 users, till 25 clients, it is free. For the board and secretarial compliances, it is a templarized repository, checklist and e-forms. Again, for next 3 years, 5 users, 25. Private limited company is free. Payroll, labor compliance, it will automate your regulatory compliance for labor laws. 3 years, 5 users, 25 clients, free. Legal and compliance audit utility, compliance audit checklist is it will manage, and for 5 users, 3 years, 25 clients, free. Practice management tool, again, it is a assignment management and your client interaction for 3 years, 5 users, 25 clients, free. So this is a very attractive offer Institute has tied up, and we can definitely look forward for this. Further, we will try to see 1 or 2 videos. With the help of these videos, we will understand what is compliance management software.
Managing business compliance in India is a very complex undertaking. There are too many dates, too many formats, too many changes, too many payments, too much of everything to keep track of, and it changes all the time. It can be overwhelming to manage all the licenses, registrations, renewals, returns, payments, and maintenance of registers the average business needs to keep organized. To give you an idea of how complex the problem is, a large company in India may have as many as 163 licenses and registrations, 210 applicable acts and rules, 9,500 applicable compliances, and 940 filings per year. It can be too much for even the most capable compliance officer, company secretary, or business owner to keep up with, especially using traditional methods like spreadsheets and email updates. And the consequences for non-compliance are more serious than ever. The Companies Act of 2013 now has provisions for criminal proceedings and even jail terms for poor compliance. To manage such a complex compliance environment, the old ways are no longer sufficient. You need a high-tech solution that can manage all of your numerous and ever-changing compliance responsibilities in real time. Avacom is here to help. Avacom is an industry-leading digital compliance management platform built by Avantis, a team lease company. It's a web and cloud-based technology platform designed to help companies stay on top of their compliance responsibilities no matter how large or complex they may get. Avacom is trusted by over 1,000 organizations across 30 different industries in India today. Avacom helps companies regain transparency, accountability, and control in their compliance efforts. How? Avacom time visibility of compliance statuses, automated workflows, and a system that's easily searchable. Automated alerts, reminders, by email and mobile alerts update you about upcoming deadlines and regulatory changes. Color-coded, graphically designed dashboards make it easy to monitor all activities and drill down into more detailed tasks and information. Easy-to-read timelines and calendars help you prepare for deadlines. And detailed audit log, the entire compliance database covers all central 29 Indian states and 7 union territories and local bodies, as well as coverage for over 35 industries. And it provides hourly notifications from over 2,000 government websites. Companies using Avacom have reduced their missed compliances by over 90% and have reduced their penalties by 95%, saving a significant amount of money and helping maintain shareholder confidence. If you're ready to modernize your compliance efforts, stay on top of compliance filings, save time and money, and enhance your company's reputation, stop managing compliance the old way and start managing it with Avacom. To learn more or to schedule a demo, visit Avantis.
So this has given a brief background about this this software. Now, in saving time, I will move to another. There are some legal updates. I will just show a glimpse of this video.
Meet Raj. Raj is a compliance officer. He is responsible for managing a few hundred compliances every month, including license renewals, managing returns, maintaining retained challans, among others. Each month, Raj spends hours researching India's compliance universe of over 1,000 tags, 58,000 compliance, and over 3,000 filings, which changes 15 times a day. These regulations fall under multiple categories: labor, finance and taxation, commercial, secretarial, and industry specific, and then identify the specific compliances he needs to attend which impacts his business. Despite his thorough efforts, he's always worried that he will miss some critical regulation. But no more. Introducing www.teamleasecompliance.com, India's leading artificial intelligence-based compliance content aggregator platform, which gathers information from over 2,000 government websites and sends the latest compliance updates that are most relevant to your business directly to you via email for free. What is more, our updates translate complex legal language from government notifications into easy-to-understand language, making the impact on your business clear at a glance. When you subscribe to www.teamleasecompliance.com, you get real-time, comprehensive updates from center, states, industries, regulator bodies that apply to your business. Subscribing to personalized visit www and you belong to. Select the
that gave you a brief idea about the GRC bundle which is applicable. So you, as I mentioned, you can see more details in the website. The idea was to give you a flavor of what are the offers available. Now we move to practice management software. In the practice management software, it is a cloud-based software. We can classify assignment into large, medium, and small. Work can be allocated and tracked: timesheet, leave management, expense management, meeting management, mobile-based, GPRS-based attendance. Where is your staff working can also get tracked. Invoicing and collection is also integrated, and profitability analysis can also be done if we opt for this practice management software. Pricing, these are the various pricing till 31st October. There are some offers. So, and the discount is to the tune of 85%. If you are interested in going for this software, you can get the details in the website, CMP benefit websites. We move ahead to Papilio software. in the Papilio software, if we see, again, it is a cloud-based software. It manages the whole process of audit, manages our resources, which team is working. Sharing of file is also available. We can assign work, we can track work, time management is there, document management is also there, and we can also communicate using this software. And this is a short 1.5 minute video. I would like to just show this video quickly.
Is managing your office giving you sleepless nights? Then meet Mr. Chadha. In spite of running a chartered accountant firm, his office is really neat and organized. And guess what? He even gets home by sundown. If you're wondering what the secret behind this is, let's take you back a few years when Chadha's firm used to look like that. Every year, he struggled to cope with new trainees. Allocating work was eating away his productive hours. Updating clients with work status was simply out of reach. He hardly remembered who was working on what and which data was kept where. There was no standardized process. Each one was creating and storing data anywhere they liked. To top it all, he lost track of how many services he had done for each client. In all, it was a big mess. But then, how did this transformation happen? It all happened with the smart touch of Papilio, the office management system. With Papilio, Chadha's resource management got a solution. Work got allocated and tracked automatically. Status update to clients became real-time and transparent. Documents are no more cluttered. Everything is in its place and there's a place for everything. Things are digitally and safely stored in standard formats. Work histories of clients are generated where Chadha can never lose out on any billings. From resource management to document management, from collaboration to process management, Papilio structures the entire setup, freeing you from mundane tasks. Be focused on business, stay organized, connected, secure, and paperless. Get Papilio. Get process, performance, and productivity.
So if we see of the pricing, again, the standard pricing for Papilio software is 2,400 per active user per year and 600 per quarter. And for more details, how many numbers and all, I request the members to please visit the website and you will get the details about the Papilio software pricing. We move ahead to XBRL software. XBRL software, again, it is a Zoho based form. We need to fill up that details. Much detail is not available in the public domain. We need to fill up the form, and then the XBRL filing software, they will connect with you, and a free software for a practitioner chartered accountant will be applicable. So there no much details is not available. We need to apply. The company will get in touch with us, and then the relationship will forward. We move to antivirus protection. Antivirus protection, again, the salient features are like there is a tie-up with the Quick Heal Technologies, and there is a special discounted price of 1,200 single user for 3 years. 3 years, just 1,200 you need to pay, and you need to visit the CMP website, put your membership number, date of birth, and the coupon code will get automatically mailed to your registered mail ID which is registered with ICAI. And antivirus software, it will protect your laptop, desktop, and other related apparatus. I don't need to elaborate much. So this is a very good offer tie-up. We move to GST return software. In the GST return software, again, there are certain features available, like what are the returns to be filed, how it can be automated, GST invoicing, compliance, and reporting. All these are integrated in this GST software. And if we talk about the pricing, this is the pricing available on the screen, and you can further visit the CMP benefit website for getting more details. Now we come to all-in-one accounting software. For all-in-one accounting software, the salient features are, it is governed by the Hostbook software. It is an integrated solution software which gives you accounting, compliance, and all those TDS, accounting, GST, e-way bill, all those things are there. Along with the cloud-based, it is a cloud-based platform and the plan can be activated online. This covers host book accounting, your host book TDS, then GST, payroll, as well as tax. All these 5 is included in this software. If we talk about the pricing for all this, for 3 years, 3 users, it is unlimited. But for specific pricing, you need to apply, and then you will come to know what is the pricing. Since I have not applied, I will not be able to give you the details of the pricing. We come to EFF Factor software. Again, for EFF Factor, you can track your job-wise profitability, efficiency of your employees, how much work they are doing. Automated billing can be there, 24-hour access to work through phone or laptop, and multiple reporting for the management. This is a slightly big video. I would like to skip it in the interest of time. As far as pricing is concerned, this is a broad pricing, but I would request all members to please visit the website because how many people are there, users. So it will depend upon person to person, firm to firm. You please see the pricing. Our objective is to tell you that these are the offerings and you take a best call applicable to your requirement. Now we move to the last software, 10th software, which is Cordal software. And these are the details. Salient features. This is an office management software for chartered accountants, which covers the task management, timesheet, work allocation, and tracking. It works in mobile as well as browser. Resource management, we can do recurring tasks like GST return every month we have to file. We can put it in that. Audit every month if it is happening, recurring task can be done. Billing can be done, and repeat billing. If there is a repeat billing to be done, it will take care. You don't need to fill up details every time. And it also has a feature of chat and internal collaboration. You can interact with the team. This is a short video, and I believe this is the last video. I will play it and I will skip slightly.
Meet Mr. Bachchan. He's a partner in a practicing chartered accountant firm. For a considerable length of time, Mr. Bachchan has given best quality services to his clients. His organization was running easily and he was a well-disposed supervisor for his employees. He had time to recount stories to his little girl, take his wife out to dinner and his dog for strolling. His customers were most joyful clients on the planet. Afterward, as more clients came in, Mr. Bachchan's practice became larger and greater. More customers prompted more work prompted more issues. Overseeing tasks, employees, managing tasks, invoicing, documents, and communication with the customers ended up noticeably more serious issues of Mr. Bachchan's work life. His baby girl missed his stories, his better half was angry, and obviously his puppy became fatter. Mr. Bachchan was not cheerful. Indeed, he was genuinely sad and pressurized. Mr. Bachchan's work-life adjustment ended up noticeably greatest inquiry of his life. It was chaos. This is the place Cordal came into the play. Mr. Bachchan learned Cordal is a cloud-based software tool developed to manage chartered accountants, company secretaries, cost accountants, and other professional practices. He read the quote from chaos to clarity. He said, "Aha!" When he met the Cordal group, he was guaranteed it's the most effortless and most ideal approach to deal with his profession. Mr. Bachchan was little skeptical. Mr. Bachchan began effectively and started tracking the progress with the help of. To his surprise, he was much of time refreshed with due dates, overdues, and work effectiveness. He was convinced Cordal is a trusted and secure platform. Cordal helped him deal with his client database, automatically updated database from literally anywhere. Mr. Bachchan. Without any human intervention or assistance, Bachchan ensured to bill every completed task by year. That's right, each assignment should be charged, he said. With the aid of intelligent timesheet feature, Mr. Bachchan had knowledge about the tasks executed and time taken for completing respect. This helped him to understand the profitability between the clients and productivity of the workers. Features like leave management, mass mailing and SMS helped him to manage his work efficiently and effectively. For Mr. Bachchan, Cordal turned out to be one-stop guide for his office management. He began to comprehend and they really value their customers. will change CA Bachchan's work life in most ideal way that could be available. That was all happy ending and fresh start for Mr. Bachchan. Has guaranteed total delegation to him and changed his profession from chaos to clarity.
So for this Coral software, it is an automated work process. It increases work profitability, productivity and efficiency, maintain client details, documents. So all these benefits are there. One-time master need to be created and it will be taken care. As far as documents management is concerned, 70 GB of free cloud space is also offered. Integrated linked mail ID, send, receive, all those things are there, along with a smooth client communication, follow-up, reminder, and updated via email and SMS. So, and this ensures anytime, anywhere via mobile application as well. So, and pricing, these are the details based on your number of people, number of users. And I can definitely say there are significant discount to the tune of 100 to 65, 70% if we go with this software. And with this, Neeraj ji, I have come to the end of second section of software. So we have roughly covered around 70% of our presentation, Neeraj ji, because these two were the bigger chunk and now the smaller ones are left. If there is any question, I will stop share my video. If there is anything there regarding the software, you can please ask questions.
Yeah. Members, anyone has a question? Though it looks very interesting actually, and we can easily operate our office and track the work, not forget on the billings to the clients and meet all the compliances of various laws. Humongous work. I mean, we chartered accountants can understand what is the level of work we have to do and have a track on our billing also.
So in case there is any question, we can address it.
Yeah,
now.
one member wants to know that how many number of Quick Heal software one can buy.
Quick Heal, each member one.
Okay, what if I have 10 systems in my office?
You can buy one license using one membership, institute membership.
So it will cover only one system, you mean to say? Yeah. Okay. One member has a technical question. Is Quick Heal better than Norton?
I don't think I am competent to answer that question.
Yeah. What is the best way to select the software? Since we are seeing various options, GRC sounds very interesting, and Cordel sounds very interesting. Yeah. So what is the best basis to finalize in a short span of time as to which is the best software?
Okay. First of all, before answering, let me qualify that I am not promoting any company. Institute has tied up with 10 software companies, so all 10 are good. If I see, because we have done research on this software to some extent, I believe the GRC suite bundle is the good package, and along with the Coral software, it's a good. These two are the relatively good software, but all are good. I cannot promote any particular organization.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Any other questions, members? I think time is pressing. You can go ahead, Sushil.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll share my PPT again. So Neeraj ji, you can see the PPT.
Yeah.
Okay. So we move to third segment, which is financial services. Now these segments are pretty smaller. So financial services, there are two offerings. One is credit card, which is tied up with Bank of Baroda, and another is loan facility, which is tied up with Poonawalla Finance. So we move to credit card. The credit card, it is a lifetime free card. It is a lifetime free card. Then we lifestyle benefits like 5x of reward points we get, exclusive benefits in term of cashback, airport access, lounge, dining and all. These are there. Then there is a zero fuel charges if we refuel more than 400 rupees. Then family card, like add-on card we can take for our spouse. It is a secured insurance is there. Credit limit up to 3 lakh we can get based on our income level. Minimal documentation is required. If we go for some interest rate or foreign exchange, we get a very competitive rate. We get almost 50 days of interest-free credit. Insurance, this also covers accidental death, air to the tune of 15 lakh and non-air 5 lakh. Zero liability if we report any kind of fraud or wrong transactions on time to the company. This is very important. One should focus. Free professional indemnity insurance we can avail using the credit limit available on this credit card. I repeat, free professional indemnity insurance up to the credit card limit is there if we go for this card, and regular offers with Bank of Baroda or runs, which is anytime available. I move ahead to loan facility. Loan facility, as I mentioned, the tie-up is with Poonawalla Finance. Salient features are like it is a completely online process of online application, 100% online. We need to fill our details, professional, what other details. Loan up to 30 lakh can be availed. Very attractive interest rate is applicable. Zero part payment charges are there. No collateral or security is to be given. Being a chartered accountant, flexible tenure, 36 months to 60 months you can take, and simple eligibility and minimum paperwork is there. Purpose of taking loan can be you expand your office space or scale up your operations, you open a new office in some new city, infuse a new fresh working capital, or you meet up with a new professional goals. There is a quick approval for chartered accountants. It is an easy and free process. It overtakes your high cost loan. In case you have a loan somewhere at a higher rate, you can switch to this loan being a chartered accountant and take this attractive rate. Eligibility 22 years to 65 years, a member should be within this age. Minimum practice of 1 year is required, and minimum gross income of just 3 lakh rupees is required. Now last is very important. This can be taken individually as a whole time employment. If you are in employment, you can take. If you are in practice, you can still take. So both kind of chartered accountants can take this. Moving ahead to documentation. KYC, you know, PAN card, all those details are required. Income proof, you need to give your IT details, Form 26 AS. Bank accounts, you need to give a 6 months bank statement, operating bank account. And qualification, obviously, you need to give your Institute of Chartered Accountants degree as well as a certificate of practice. So with this, Neeraj ji, I have come to very quickly concluded this segment of financial product. If there is any question, you may please ask.
According to you, till now, how many how many chartered accountants would have taken the benefit till now, Sushil ji?
Which credit card or loan?
This loan thing.
Okay, very good. See, loan tie-up happened just in the 3rd week of August, somewhere in 23rd of August with Poonawalla Finance. And as per my knowledge, roughly 4,500 chartered accountants applied for this loan. Out of that, already 1,500 chartered accountant loan is disbursed to the tune of 150 crores. 150 crores amount is disbursed to chartered accountant. That means roughly 10 lakh of rupees each chartered accountant loan is disbursed during all this lockdown and corona period.
So this is only a professional loan, not a housing loan or.
No. This is a professional loan. Yeah. You can avail.
Can you put some light on the interest rates, Sushil ji?
Okay, interest rate. If we take, say for example, 36-month period, if we take a loan, then there is 0% processing charges, and interest rate is 9.99% per annum. And if we go by a 60-month period tenure, 1% processing fees is there, and the interest rate is 10.99% per annum.
Great. Sounds very interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we have no more questions now. You can go ahead with your next slide.
Okay. We move to certification courses. So in this in certification courses, basically there are 2 courses like drafting and wealth management, which we can do using the ICI Digital Learning Hub. For drafting, these are the salient features, like it is a virtual certificate course for preparing appeal, draft, all those things for appearing to the various statutory bodies. It is an online course. The course duration is 10 days. You need to give 3 hours of commitment per day. The course is completely in English, and you will get a digital certificate also once you complete this course. And what you will learn, you will develop your drafting skills. You will aware about legal provision, how to appear before various authorities, and how to represent in tribunal and quasi judiciary bodies. If we move to wealth management, management again is governed by a ICI Digital Hub platform, and you will do a wealth management and financial planning course. It is an online course. Duration again 10 days, 3 hours per day you need to give. It is in English language, and you will get a certificate after successfully completing this course. And what you will learn, you will equip yourself with various principles of management, effective investment strategies, practical procedures, what are the multidisciplinary financial consultant you can become, and you will become a sound financial decision once you, including the diversified practice area of compliance. So you can diversify your portfolio in terms of service and in terms of knowledge if you do these courses. I will cover section 5 also, Neeraj ji, because
sure.
So publication, institute has committee publication and other publication. These are published by the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. In committee publication, these are the things like Companies Act 2013, practical practitioner perspective. You can go through this. It is a 155-page document. Easily you can download using the CMP benefit website. Then we have sample checklist for standard on audits. Then we have GST, a practitioner's perspective, and then office management manual. So all these documents are we can do download using the CMP benefit website, and members can definitely benefit from these literatures. Moving to other publication, there are roadmap to young practitioners. What are the things a young practitioner can do? There is a detailed elaboration, 64-page booklet, e-booklet is there, which we can download of roadmap to young practitioner, and insight of various professional aspect also we can download. It is roughly 80-page PDF file, which we can download from the website. Now, before that, Neeraj ji, we move to recent initiatives. I will cover up recent initiatives as well, because this is the last segment, and then we will go to question and answer.
Sure.
So recent initiative during this Corona period, Institute was pretty active, and they have come up with something called Corona Assistance. There is a long body fund called Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund, where a chartered accountant can donate money voluntarily, and he will get a ATG benefit also. This fund is there since long time. Now, what is important is that this fund will cover the Corona assistance also. What are the salient features? It was announced in just a month or two back, 26th of July. Medical financial assistance will be given to in CA as well as spouse as well as dependent of CA. It is important. Family is covered to the member and their dependent. If they are suffering from Corona, they need to apply in a prescribed application form, and available only for the case of hospitalization. Financial assistance to the tune of 1,50,000 will be provided by the institute through Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund. And in case that fund is not utilized by the member, the fund need to be returned back to the CABF fund. So this is a very recent initiative. I move to the second initiative, which is for our senior members, which is called We Care. This is a very exclusive program run by the institute, very recently announced on 23rd of September for the senior members, and this will happen at a regional level, as a chapter level. Institute is identifying chartered accountants who are 75 years and above, and they will collaborate with them, and in case required through the CABF fund, We can provide them a financial assistance also. Basically, the senior chartered accountant age 75 plus, they should not feel that they are left out, but there will be a group, there will be a meeting, there will be a collaboration in the institute, chapters and offices, and keep them engaged, make them feel that the Institute of Chartered Accountants are there with senior member as we care. This is the concept around this initiative. Now I move to the summary. As a chartered accountant, we always summarize everything, whatever we have done. So before I request Neeraj ji to ask questions, I will just quickly summarize whatever we have discussed today. We have discussed 3 buckets: insurance product, software product, financial services, certificate course, publication, and recent initiatives. Under insurance product, we have covered LIC term insurance and general insurance, 7 items. This is, if you take a snapshot of this, it will cover our whole presentation. So, and in the software, we have covered the 10 softwares. In financial services, we have covered credit card facility along with the loan facility. In certificate course, we have covered drafting as well as wealth management. In publication, we have covered committee publication and other publication. And in the end, we covered recent initiatives, which are Corona assistance and We Care for the senior members. So with these words, I move to the end of my session, and I am open for question and answer. I would like to thank everyone for their patience hearing and giving me this opportunity to spread awareness about the benefits available with chartered accountants. And I request now Neeraj ji to take forward the question and answer session. Neeraj ji.
Thank you so much, Sushil ji. First of all, I congratulate you for setting up this thing and consolidating everything into one presentation. It's a humongous effort. I can really imagine the amount of effort you have put to put everything in one presentation and bringing out beautifully before us. And I'm sure all the participants have been benefited. And I request the participants to shoot out the questions. If you have any questions, please write in the chat box. Immediately, I'll post it to Sushil ji, and he will be right here with the answers.
Yeah.
Members, come on.
Neeraj ji, can we unmute everyone and let the session open for 5 minutes? So if somebody can ask any question, they can ask.
Yeah, we can do that, unless I hope it's not overlapping. And
I do not think too much people are there, and all are CAs. They know how to go ahead.
No, we have 50 plus people, Raviji. So we have a good number with us. And yeah, we can. I request the members not to overlap when one member is speaking. Please unmute yourself if you have a question. We understand that it's a dinner time, but still, for the larger benefit of other members, if you have a question in mind, you can ask. Raviji, I think Sushil ji has so beautifully explained everything. He has left no room for any doubts or any questions.
Any comments from Mr. Pritam Agarwal? Because I'm seeing his face is much more satisfied, I feel so. So few words from Pritam can give the light on the today's session.
I think he has been explaining his chartered accountant about all the benefits.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi Bhaiya, and thank you so much, Sushil Bhai.
Thank you.
It was in depth. I will say that it is. I'll say that all credits for all the research. What is the commitment you have taken to bring all the small details? I hope that most of it is almost like what you did today is people may know about these benefits or not, but you are the person now who has really ignited the minds of everyone to take the benefits really on a practical basis, right? That is what I can say. And when you listen from somebody else, the text doesn't matter. Everything is in the brain right now. So Sushil ji and IVF MYM will be definitely in everybody's mind that let's there is a facility, there is a benefit, let's utilize it. And how very fine tuningly you have shared the PPTs with so much of details. Without being a CA, I can understand how important is now to understand and avail these benefits. So I'm definitely going to message this video, sharing these videos to my friends so that they can take the benefits. And I've already shared the link with everyone to take it further. Thank you so much, Sushil ji, and
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Neeraj ji.
and dear members, it's time to say bye, a goodbye and a good night. I request Pritam ji to continue and convey his vote of thanks to everyone.
Yes, yes. Friends, I am Pritam Agarwal and I am representing International Vaishya Federation as a business convener and closely working with MYM and IVF. And I really say a very big thank you to MYM and IVF, those who took this initiative, and that is always there in mind that they should give back to the society in all the forms. Let it be education, training, or today's session as sharing information available in a very right manner. So it's my immense pleasure again to for you all that I'm able to thank you all that you have spent your valuable time listening to our speakers, Sushil ji and Neeraj ji, for their great research. I know what time how much of time they have really took in their initial discussion to find out these details and how in a very basic manner they should be able to make you aware was the challenge, and they have done it very well. And finally, very, very important that our chief guest today, Mr. Amit Agarwal, the national president of MYM, was here by seeing the energy, the teamwork, the importance of this topic. And because of his time, he was not able to make it for the full day, full session, but yes, he was there in the inauguration time, and he has given a wishes to all the members, those who are listening, and he has promised that we will definitely bring more and more learning sessions from all of us. And again, a very dear, I say a very great leader was with us today, Sri Vipin Ramji Agarwal, and I'm really blessed that I am working under him in terms of International Vaishya Federation as a business convener. A lot of things to learn from him, a very easygoing, very long visions he has, and what a work culture I'm trying to learn from him personally. Thank you, Vipin Uncle, for this platform. And to the whole organizing committee, from Nitesh to Ravi Bhaiya as a great mentor to all of us, even from the IVF platform and MYM, and everyone, Rahul and everyone who has really contributed towards this today's session. And I will definitely say thank you to Facebook and Google, Facebook and Zoom also, that how quickly we were able to manage this within a few days of what you call as passing on messages to attend this the session. And I know it was a very hard work by Sushil ji and Neeraj bhai, that they took a long time, but yes, we will be able to communicate was very short. And thank you all these attendees that within a short period of 3-4 days, you were there to listen. And I hope that we will try to communicate back to you all with our links, right, and the recorded sessions, so that anybody feel like listening to this wonderful session again, you can go through it. And because of time, we are not able to take a lot of questions, but definitely you can write back to us and we will see that how to reply you back. So have a great evening, friends. And I hope that you had a wonderful time with MYM and IVF. My sincere thanks to each one of you for being a great listener. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Pritam ji, and a word of thanks to you also. You have done a wonderful job in bringing the information that IVF and MYM are going to bring this program for the benefit of chartered accountants. And you have been diligently doing this work from 4-5 days, bringing all the flyers to the mobiles of all the users, and you have done a great job despite a busy schedule. Let me tell you, members, he is the MD of Hello Kids franchisee. He has 600 schools under his belt. So he has done a fabulous job. A big thank you to you also, and hope the members have enjoyed. A big thank you to Sushil ji, Ravi ji, and everyone. Nitesh Tibriwal. A big thank you to one and all. Have a great weekend. Have a good night. Thank you so much, dear friends.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sushil bhai.